Hello students, ready to start your learning journey? Follow these steps to log in and access your dashboard, where your educational materials await. Logging in is straightforward. Let's walk through it together. Step 1. Locate the Login button. Begin by visiting our home page and look for the Login button. Step 2. Access the Student section. Click on the Student section. This area is specifically designed for you. Step 3. Enter your teacher's or parent's email. Type in the email address of your teacher or parent. This step ensures you're connected to the correct class and resources. Step 4. Select your class. If you're a student under a teacher, you may need to choose the specific class you belong to. Please select the class from the list you're provided. Step 5. Click on your name. Find and click on your name from the list and enter your password. Step 6. Arrive at your dashboard. Once you've signed in, you'll arrive on your dashboard. And that's it. You're now ready to explore and engage with your courses. If you need any assistance, we're here to help. Enjoy your learning experience!